Everybody, my name is Brendan Guire, MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're standing on a 32 GTC by Saxdor. As this boat is powered with the 300 V8 white motors. Stepping on board, we have the non-skid fiberglass, and then we have SeaDeck on the swim platforms that fold out. We have a forward and aft facing seats here, and a table that flips open for the entertaining. The GTC stands for closed, so all of this closes off and you have the air conditioning, you have everything. It gives you more of that condo on the water feel. We do have a freshwater shower here, and then steps to walk up to the cleats and to the bow. We do have the summer kitchen with the stovetop burner here, as well as the sink. And when you're not using that, this drops down and you can use this as a countertop. There's also storage in this area. We have the covers in there right now. We have a fridge right here, and also a second fridge with a freezer up top. Two people can sit right here once this table opens up. Coming down into the cabin, we have the forward berth that's big enough for about 2 people. We do have our reading lights here, and we have our access. One thing that's really nice about this is we have the head and sink right in this area, and then we have this privacy door that closes off. Standing here in the bow of the GTC, we have a lounger here. It's a great boat for going to the sandbars and doing a day boat style of boating as well. We do have a windlass anchor on this boat and JL audio sound system with a sub inside of the cockpit here. Standing here at the helm, we have twin Simrad screens, we have our joystick, and we have our windlass controls and switching. Induction phone charger and storage here, as well as a bow thruster. VHF radio. And one thing I like about this is with this window open, you're right here to the midship cleat. So it's very easy to tie up somebody, throw somebody a line. This is the 32 GTC. Come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater.